Aloha Friday, everyone! Sunny Sharde here, back with another mukbang. If you've been with my channel for a while, then you'll know that I only get the takeout or delivery if I have a coupon, usually, most likely. So I had a Groupon for this place in Dallas called the Caribbean Cabana, and it expired today, so I decided to go ahead and use it. So I have here, and by the way, I'm not like a Caribbean food expert, so I kind of just got the platters based on the worker recommendations. So this is the jerk chicken, and this is the lunch portion. So it's got the jerk chicken, there is some macaroni, this is the rice with peas, and then sautéed cabbage. And then this I really wanted to try because Filipinos also eat oxtail. Oh my gosh, this plate is so heavy. So there we go, oxtails, same mac and cheese. I think the rice is different. I guess this is plain white rice and then sautéed spinach in the back. And then I also got some of these pies, meat pies. One of it is curry and the other one is beef. Curry chicken, I think. Curry chicken, and then another one's beef. Okay, hopefully this is a better view of the food. I was not liking the first view, but I guess I'll just get started with the meat pies. I really want to try the oxtail, but I guess I'll save that for last. So let's see which one this is. Oh, I think, yeah, this is the curry one. It's got like a really nice yellow, filling. That's really good. Oh my gosh. I wonder what the difference is though between like Caribbean curry. Like initially, the spice seems a lot more prevalent in this based on other curry. Like Japanese curry is not really spicy. And of course, Indian curry is like, oh my gosh, is really spicy. But this one, I think, is like a nice middle. If you know about Caribbean food or Caribbean curry, let me know in the comments below, because there's something very sharp about the spice. But it's really good. Okay, so this must be the beef one. This one feels a lot heavier. Like the chicken one isn't that filled that much. And I'm just saving these halves because Hubs wanted to try the meat pies. So, ooh, this one's really flaky. Oh my gosh. Oops. Move all these flakes. Ooh, this one's really filled. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to clean up all of these flakes, but let's try it. I should have looked this up beforehand, because this is also spicy. No, I mean, it's not too spicy, but it's got like a really nice spice, but it's a different sort of one. I've never had this before, so there must be a certain spice that is used. I'm just gonna move that forward. Wow, this is really, This is really good. I actually like the beef one better than the chicken. Let's do that. And I actually, even though the crust is really flaky, I like the crust better. It's just got a nice texture to it. This is really tasty. And it looks like it's just meat, like there aren't any vegetables in it or anything. Okay. Oh my gosh. Aww. Boosh finally came. I know you guys have been missing him, the little guy. So Hubs and I gave Bougie a different type of wet food this morning, but he doesn't like it. It's kind of like a pate. I think he prefers the other one where it's like actual pieces of fish. So I gave him the old one, and yes, he seems to like that a lot better. So let's go ahead and start with the jerk chicken. It smells really good. It's like a barbecue kind of. That just fell off the bone. Like, I did not even try to rip it off of the bone. Let me try this rice with it. It like each has its own different flavor. Same level of spice throughout, so if you love spice, I mean, I think this is a great cuisine so far anyway. Oh, it's the bone. Let me try this mac and cheese. This looks really good. Like, I love a baked mac and cheese with like a extra cheese layer on it. And it's thick, very rich. Like, look at that. Where's my napkin? Let me get this one. I didn't even try. And it's like all, like, look. I know like a lot of people eat the ends, like really chew them, but I'm like not a fan of that. Judge me all you want, it's okay. But let's try the thigh. You know, usually I like the thigh of the chicken, but The leg was actually better. It was more tender. Well, you know, it's the leg, but I don't know. This one's like abnormally dry. Maybe if I get in a little bit more. Like, this is literally like so easy. Let me try this part. It's a little bit better, but still prefer the leg. But this rice though is like, the man at the register said it was peas, but it doesn't taste like regular peas. Okay. Sorry if it's like I'm rushing through, like I rushed through the pies and then this one. It's because I really, really want to get to the oxtail. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, it just fell off. Oh my gosh. That's so tender. How is it so tender? So this looks like just plain white rice, just with like some of the sauce here. Oh my gosh, like I'm just moving my fork around and it's just like falling off of the bone. But I prefer this rice, so I'm gonna skip over to this rice while I eat it. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Wow. I definitely need more napkins. Oh my gosh, I'll be back. This is gonna be like a messy eating sort of mukbang, so. This is so good. Very flavorful, very, it's not as spicy as the jerk chicken and then this rice. It's more, let me think about it. The flavor is richer. That's what I'm looking for. I wonder if it's the same spice as the meat pie. But yeah, I'm sure there are people out there that know more about Caribbean food, so let me know in the comments below what your favorite Caribbean food is and how you eat it, because I'm probably destroying it right now, but it's really, really tasty. This is my first time having Caribbean food, so I wasn't sure what to expect. I kind of wanted to go in just not knowing so that I have like an actual first impression on it. Although I don't know, is mac and cheese popular over there? Like, I'm not sure if they're just doing it because we're in Texas. And this is an insane amount of serving. This is just the lunch serving. There's actually a larger one than this. I wish I had a spoon for this, but I'll just use what they gave. I know, 2 forks. Oh, the bone. Which one's better? Or that I prefer anyway. I think this one, this is just sauteed cabbage and carrots, but because the food is like, the oxtail especially is very rich, I think this helps lighten it up a little bit, or maybe like just tricks your mind. Oh my gosh, how do like people eat the whole thing? Well, I'm just gonna finish as much as I can. I actually think I'll have some more of this chicken. I was like, well, let me try this chicken again. Let's see if it's any better. But no, it's still dry, like as if it would change. Especially after eating this. Yeah. And actually someone, while I was in line, because there was a long line. Every time I've been to the farmer's market in Dallas, there's always a long line by the Caribbean cabana. And but the people are like so nice there. And while I was standing in line, one of the guys behind me was saying, yeah, I've had the jerk chicken, but it's a bit dry. But I got it anyway because like I've seen jerk chicken, like the marinade and just the dish, like at other restaurants or even at the grocery store. They have like jerk chicken sauce or marinade, but I just never got it. So oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to stop soon because, like, you know, I'm on lunch right now. And this oxtail is the kind of meal that you eat and then go take a sleep after. Take a rest. Don't do anything for the rest of the day. Like, I almost want to sleep right now. Oh my gosh. It doesn't help that so I woke up early this morning, like at 5. That's early. That's like way early for me. To drop off my sister, because she's headed to San Francisco. So I was already really tired, and now I'm eating this. Let me get a few more bites in. Oh my gosh. Like, my eyelids feel really heavy right now. I'm really not exaggerating. It's kind of like, well, for me anyway, after Thanksgiving, you know, I eat a whole bunch and then like I seriously just want to pass out. I just get really tired and I will nap if I'm just sitting there. And this is the same feeling. Thankfully, I'll have dinner already. I'll just eat this. Okay. I want to keep going, but I will really be indisposed. Well, hi, Boosh. Well, I hope you enjoyed the mukbang. I really liked this food. Like, I'll definitely try it again. And the meat pie is excellent. I just got to make sure that I have enough time afterwards to rest. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more mukbang and cookbangs. You can find me on Twitter and Instagram at Sunny Sharde. I will see you all next time. Have a good weekend. Bye.